This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get faster PC response time. First, let's tackle background processes. Many applications run silently, consuming valuable resources. Closing these can significantly improve your computer's speed. A simple restart also works wonders, clearing out temporary files and giving your system a fresh start. Finally, ensure your operating system is up to date. These updates often include crucial performance enhancements. Next, let's dive into software optimization. Disabling unnecessary startup programs prevents your PC from getting bogged down right from the start. You can also tweak your visual effects settings, choosing performance over fancy animations. This small change can make a big difference. Don't forget to regularly run a disk cleanup. It's an easy way to free up several gigabytes of space and improve responsiveness. Now, let's consider some easy hardware checks. Your hard drive needs breathing room. Aim for at least 15% free space. If you're still using an older hard drive, upgrading to a solid-state drive, or SSD, offers a massive boost in speed, often cutting boot times by more than half. Also, ensure you have enough RAM. 8 gigabytes is a solid foundation for smooth multitasking. Finally, let's talk about ongoing maintenance. Regular scans for malware and viruses are crucial. These can silently consume resources and slow your PC down. Always keep your hardware drivers updated. This ensures optimal communication between your components and the operating system. And remember, less is more. Avoid installing software you don't truly need to keep your system running swiftly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.